Kublai pi baro na kaliang kadudarshan kendra Shillong ngi priang subhai pi syakathup khubor menta ka janmid. Para shwa bangin pai syaki khubor ki babnya nginya pechwa ki mat bakongsan. Penmena Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi lingba ka webinar halor ka mangtingka ban kintiu ye ki than nong kindong. Beli perda Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela Kongrat Sangma ya ke sub center Halajan. Nang buon ki MDC ka KHADC ki bawan ya so bat ke NPP priang snobha he ke NPP ya ki ha ga jingelang pajba. But minjur ka Ministry of External Affairs ya ka jingterwa bantay ya umot sa kinmau ya usim tirot sing ha Indian Embassy ha Dhaka. Ki khubor ki babanya. Menteri Rang Badu Keri menta ka sngi uloong ba ka mangtingka jong ka sarkar pedeng ha usnem hajar arpuar kalamat phang ban kintiu ya ka roy ka par ha kithan nong kindong ha ka benta basyatay lamingi jong ka ri India bar ha ki babun ki district. Menteri Rang Badu uloong ba kene ka mangtingka kan prilat ban pendep ya ka thong halor jong ki babun ki scheme kum ka PM Awas Yojana ka Graman Sadak Yojana bat ka Jal Jivan Mission. Haba ajing kren lingba ka webinar halor ka jingbha ya ka mangtingka ban kintiu ya ki than nong kindong Modi ula banjur halor ka jingdon kam ban penkeladur ya ki than nong kindong hagari India da ka ba ajing hikai ya ki halor ki bor ki sor kat kum ka juk start ba minta kham tam ya ki nong rep ba kinang ban pendon kam da ka jing start ka juk ba minta ha ka bai dei bat ka rep ka riang. Kumshi benta jong ka thong ka sarkar MDA ban pinsuk ya ki pajba bat ban kampen bha shu ya ki lat ai jing sumar Menteri Rang Ba ka Jela Kongrat ke sangma menta ka sngi ula play perda ya ka sub center Halajem. Haba pentip link ba ka Twitter Kongrat sangma uloong bagane ka sub center kan ai jing shakri ya ki hinriu teli ki shnong ha ka bai dei bat ka kwat ka khia. Kat kum ki kindon trekam jongkari ka way ka sub center ka dayban ay jing sumar ya kum balai hajar teli ki long yeng. Hagane ka sngi ula ay yulay kren ru bat ki dekhot ka village employment council bat ya ki self help group jong ka shnong lajam ha ka ba ula ong ba ukloy ban keneria laki kti ban yarap ya ki hakikam babha ba ki trei. Mentagas ngi ki MDC ka KHADC ki bakentop ya Fantin Joseph Lakadong na kaseng Congress ka MDC Shimet ka Congress Mary Kharpuri MDC Barem ka Jirang uba William L. Minsong bat unong yalam ka seng Congress na Ribhoy uba Albertus Lapang kilalet ban pinyaso yalade bat kaseng NPP. Nalor kini ka kong Jasmine Lingdo ka badai ka para jong ka MLA na kaseng Congress ka kong Amperin Lingdo ru kalalet ban pinyaso bat kaseng NPP. Menteri Rang Ba ka Jela Kongrat Sangma ula priang burom ya kini ki belawan penyaso thamai ha ka jingelang pajba ka belalong ha office trekam jong ka NPP ha ringkat ka jingedon lang bat usembut Menteri Rang Ba ka Jela uba Preston Tinsong bat ki weide ki he kaseng.
I joined this party because I've been observing that this party has leaders that has the quality and principle, which is very, very important. You know, any party is like a family. If you have a healthy atmosphere, you can work in such a way that like maybe physically, mentally is the most important, like for us human beings, like, you know, it should be like sound in every ways. So I have seen the quality leadership of Honorable Chief Minister.
I'm not joining the politics for myself. I'm not joining the party for myself, for my personal benefit. I'm joining the party for my constituency. We need development. We need to grow. And this party will make my constituency grow. We need developments and we need the government.
Ka Tanat Ministry of External Affairs Dangshen kala ai ya ka jing menjur ya ka jing terwa jong ka sarkar jilla bante yo mot sa ken mau jong nang ya le laj lut keri us tirot sing ha Indian Embassy ka badon hadhaka Bangladesh. Kene ka jing tmu ka longkum shibenta ban rakhe ya ka linkho dap nyau pusan snem jong ka jing yo laj lut keri India ka linkho dap sanpho snem jong ka Bangladesh Liberation War bat ka linkho dap sanpho snem jong ka jing yo jilla ha Meghalaya. U Principal Secretary Jong Katnat Arts and Culture uba FR Kharkungor la pentip menta kasngi baka sarkar Meghalaya kala sngo don kam bante yo mot sakin mau ya usim tirot sing hadhaka namar ba udai u Khasi baningkong ubala yakhun ya ga jingele ban yo ala luit keri. Ulet hu ba Katnat Ministry of External Affairs kala tho syaka jilla ki badon markhap bat ka Bangladesh mention snem bakin sedang ya ki project ki balong kerpang kum shibenta jong ka jingrakhe ya ka jingyo lait luot ba nyopusan snem jong keri lani ka azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav.
Will come up, and as such it is quite a milestone because this is the first time that a memorial of this nature is being set up outside the country in memory of the Khasi freedom fighter. So far his name has appeared on the postage stamp, his face and his image has appeared on the postage stamp. And of course we've had some educational institutions named after him, also the state award has been named after him. But for the very first time there will be a memorial outside the country in memory of this great brave heart.
Ka Office Jong ka Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment ha ga jingalang ka balong ha Dulong Community Hall Jowai kala pelat ya ka kot batay shaphang ki rukom shet tinrai ka bala ai kerteng ka bam tinre ya ka bala tho ha ka ten Khasi bat pareng ya ga ni ka kot la pelat da Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hills iba Garrett LSN Dykes iba long ru kongsan ha ga ni ka sngi ka rengkat ka jinges nok tilang bat ka North East Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society Shillong kila shim ya ka ni ka senja man tho ya ka ni ka kot ka babatay shaphang ka rukom shet tinrai kani ka kot ka longkom shibenta jong ka jingpen mi ya ka project No One Shall Be Left Behind initiative ka bala baiting ka da Tanat Rural Electrification Corporation ka kong Patricia Mukhim ka balong ka sembut kongsan kala kren halor ka jingkongsan jong kum kini ki senjam.
Since I never knew about the values of Neili and Neyong, about Jamardo, and so many other jaran that we don't eat anymore these days. So I think we need to really get back to our roots.
U convener ka NEDA u balong ru u Menteri Rangba ka Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma dangshan u lakhot ya ka jingelang ban kmi bnia halo ka jingsha kenno ti bat shalan be an ya u doyong ha Meghalaya. Habakren berkilat pathai khubor u Presiden ka BJP ha ka jilla u ba Ernest Mauri u loong ba dangshan u lai kendu ya u Sarma ban yekren bat u halor ka jinge balai kendu da ka jilla. Uba Ernest ulaong bawat ka sarkar pedeng kala betha ting ya ka NGT ban pinstet no ban bishar ya ka nikamat ka bala syusa bat ki. Uba Mauri ula banjur badan ka man pha tokit da katnat CBI halor ka jingken no ti bat shalan be an ya udoyong ha ka jilla.
CM of Assam last Saturday I was called to Gauti to have a meeting with him. So we have discussed all this problem which we face in our state. So even from the center also, I got a message that they have given the strong and firm direction to the NGT to look after this matter, since it is lying in their court, in the NGT.
Ha India kidan haduk khatsan hajar shispa arngut ki balai bit thamai ya ka jingpang COVID ha kini ki arpsau kenta baladap. Kani gal kentiu ya ka jingdon jang baro ki nongpang sya ki shilak henrep sau hajar. Kat ba jingdon jang ki baladap ban ai ya ketika kalatam ya ka shispa nyau pun riu klor khat kendai lak. Kumbalai pulai lak prapusau hajar terli ketika ladap ban ai ha kini ki arpsau kenta baladap. Hagawai pat kaliang ha Meghalaya kidan arpusan ngut ki balai bet thamai ya kani ka jingpang pat henreu pun reu ngut kilayo jingkot ha kini ki arpusau kenta baladap. Mentapat nginya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ke sun mileng ha Shillong. Ka jingshit kalong khatlai degree Celsius bat ka jingkriat kalong nyo degree Celsius. Ka jingsngem ka hau kalong prapun reo nakashispa min step bat nyo pusan nakashispa janmit. Kala bandon ka jinghap slap ka ba malu mala hakikat tu kat niki benda ha Shillong. Sashisin pat ngipin kan mau ipi bai kani ka khubor jongi pila aru ban pet live ha ka YouTube channel jong ka Didi News Shillong. Sean poi syaka bekut jong ka top khubor ngin pet yang sashisin yakimat bakongsan. Penbena Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ling ba ka webinar halor ka bang tingka ban tintil ni kan yang pinda. Beli perda Menteri Rang Ba Kejela ukong rat sama ya ka sub center halaja. Nang buon ki MDC ka KHADC ki bawan yeso bat ka NPP, bediang subha uhe ya ka NPP ya ki ha ka jingelang pat ba. Bat menjur ke Ministry of External Affairs ya ke jing terwa bantai ya umat sakin mau ya usil Tirat Singh ha Indian Embassy ha Dhaka. Te para lok katung ila poi syaka bukut jong katup kubor jongi mentaga janmit hadu bangin daya syambiang bat pila syai kasngi kublai pi baro.
गुड्डी
मामा
हाँ गुड्डी
आप नाना जी से इतना डरते क्यों?
मैं सवाल ही नहीं